In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restrict your online status in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to do this, you need to go ahead and log into your Roblox account and then head to more here. Now enter more, scroll down until you see this option called settings. Under settings, choose the option called privacy and content restrictions, and from the setting list here, head to visibility and private servers. Now under this, choose visibility, and here we have online status. You can see currently everyone can see my online status, so you can go ahead and restrict this maybe to connections, followers, and people I follow, or connections and people I follow, or just connection or none. If you want your visibility online to be off, you can go ahead and tap on none, and this will be saved. If you only want it to be on connections, you can also choose this option. So that's how you can restrict your visibility in Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.